Hi everyone! Today we're not going to cook. Yeah, why? Because we don't need to cook. I'm going to share with you guys a very simple recipe. And I've been falling in love with this tofu in the carton. This is the Japanese tofu, and you don't need to put in the refrigerator. You just open it and ready to eat. And also it's low carb. For one carton, it's only 180 calories. So this one's soft tofu, and this one's firm. I'm going to make a soft tofu, not make. We're going to have the soft tofu. Oh, forgot. Tofu in Chinese, 豆腐. How many words did you guys learn already? Maybe it's time to test you. Okay, let's make the sauce. We're going to have two kinds of sauce. So as you can see, I'm going to use this soft one. And we just need to open it. And it's ready to eat. Come on. That's about a half. The other half. This one's more. And we can scoop some. To be fair, right? Yep. 2 bowls of tofu. So for this one, I'm going to have hot sauce. So this will be the homemade chili sauce, chili oil, and soy sauce. Sichuan pepper powder. So this is Sichuan flavor. And we just top with some green onions. That's it. And this one, we add sesame oil, soy sauce, and toasted sesame seeds, and again top with the green onions. More here. Simple like that. 2 bowls of soft tofu in 2 kinds of sauce. Let's try it. Isn't it super simple? Oh, tofu twins. Of course, I'm going for the spicy one first. This is spicy and numbing. Just mix a little bit. Love the texture, so soft. Delicious, simple. This one's spicy and numbing. This one is with sesame oil and toasted sesame seeds. I can smell the sesame oil. Lighter, calmer. Different personalities, right? It's twins. So simple and delicious. Like I said, perfect for quick lunch, perfect for side dish. No cooking needed. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.